Hello, welcome to Composition Academy. Today's lesson is on the writing process. We will discuss the following topics. What are the 5 stages of the writing process? We've all written essays before. It started all the way back in middle school for most of us. What we've learned over the years is that writing an essay doesn't simply happen by sitting down and writing an essay from beginning to end. It's a process. Most people who try to sit and immediately start writing will say that they don't know where to start. Well, we start by acknowledging that there are stages to writing. 5 stages actually, and we're going to cover each stage today. The 5 stages of the writing process are the pre-writing stage, the drafting stage, the revision stage, the editing stage, and the publishing stage. The writing process is not a linear process. Each stage encompasses a little bit of each of the others. You can jump from one to another and back to a previous one. However, we will cover the stages in order today, starting with pre-writing.